Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. I have a Coach unboxing. Now let's get into this new bag. So now that I'm done unwrapping this bag, we know that this is the Coach City Tote, and the interior of this bag is in the signature canvas coated print in white and chalk. So this bag do come with gold hardware, and you know you have the Coach tag. So we know that this bag is a snap closure tote. So the inside is the chalk color, and you have a back zipper compartment right back here. And you have the Coach Creed. This is the side, the back, the other side, the bottom. Okay, so along with this bag, I did purchase the notebook. Okay, so this notebook has that tan and chalk. And this notebook seems to be wider than the other notebook that I noticed. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that was in the way of that. I also purchased the wristlet, and it has Coach in that gold hardware. And it has that tan inside. You have your 2 credit card slots. This is the tag. And I have the pencil pouch. It has that same tan inside. Okay, so if you all enjoyed this haul on today, give me a like, give me a share, subscribe to Woman Haven 84. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you all will know every time I upload a video.